So this is the before and after, and Ashwin gonna share his experience with us. And thanks, Ashwin, for sharing the. And before he shared his experience, we had a FUE hair transplant surgery before and after, and this is what he was before. Okay, and this is a year later. Before, a year later. So I'm gonna go back real quick. Again, it's the whole art form to create a natural hairline. And when you do it right, enhance your eyes, your nose, and all the features that God created for you. And let's see how handsome he is. And again, I call him my Sahir Khan right here. My Bollywood guy. And that's before and after. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the stage to Ashwin. So Ashwin, why don't you share the experience with the audience?
Sure. So I started noticing hair loss back when I was around 18 years old. So this is around when I started college at first. Mm-hmm. All my friends around me had like a full head of hair, but I started noticing my hair loss. So that really got to me. And, you know, it really did affect me for a couple, 4 years, even after graduation. When I would pose for my graduation pic, I'd feel so, you know, really self-conscious about myself, and, you know, so it really did affect me. I started looking online for solutions. I looked into this really popular one called Topic, where it's like these black beads that you can put on your head, but people could kind of see through it, and, you know, it wasn't really natural and real. So, you know, I started looking into hair transplant. And at first when I was Googling it, I didn't see too many, you know, good reviews about people doing it, and, you know, there's just a lot of bunch of weird things out there. So I reviewed, I went through a lot of Googling, and one thing that really got my attention was Dr. Diep's work, which I looked up on YouTube. And I think that's really what sold it to me. I was looking through a lot of YouTube videos, and he's very consistent with his results and like his process that he puts on YouTube, and I see so many examples. So that's really what got to me.
Now you're the example.
Yeah, now I'm right here. Now I'm sitting here. So about 2 years ago, I was looking at another person sitting here, and now I'm here. So that's really what sold to me. I don't see any other doctor who is really consistent on YouTube besides Dr. Diep. So when I first came here for the surgery, I think it was March 2015, March 3rd, 2015. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't remember too much of it because I think I was knocked out. But the recovery process was not very painful at all. It was really simple. I got back to work within 2 weeks. Mm-hmm. You know, my head was shaved off, so I mean, that was fine. You know, I just played it off saying, oh, it's just a new look. Mm-hmm. Nobody could really tell that I had surgery then. I just thought it was a new hairstyle. Oh, he's already going bald, why not shave his head? Within 3 months, I started noticing some fuzzy hair growth all over my head, and that's when I knew, oh, it's actually working. So in 4 months, you know, already I could see changes. 5, 6, 7 month mark was when my uncle, my relatives, you know, they all started noticing something's gone wrong, you know, something's different about you, you look much better, you have more hair, something is happening. By the time I get to the 10, 11 month mark, you know, when I go out in like social situations, when I go out in the nightclub or anything, I always get all this attention from girls and everything about my hair. It's actually true.
Sahir Khan, right?
Yeah. So yeah, it's been a very positive experience, you know. It's definitely worth it. You know, you can't argue with the results.
Yeah. I mean, if pictures speak 1,000 words, and if really, when you see his before and after, and for him, Ashwin, I mean, his face is lined up. I mean, he has beautiful features, the eyes, the nose, and when you do it in a frame better, it brings it out, and I'm glad I'm a part of it, and you know, that's what I take the most pleasure out of in terms of seeing the result, the before and after, and seeing how much you make a difference in people's life, not just physically, but you know, how you can share the story, and this bring out a lot of joy to me. And so this is what he looks like, and 100% FUE, and this is how he is now. and I'm glad that he allowed me to share with a full face, because not many Indian would do that. And even I zoom straight close, you see, you can't tell. There's no scarring at all. And I'll guarantee you, he walked down the street, even a girl run the hair through, or anybody run the hair through, they cannot tell you have surgery, you know. And this is the before and after of Ashwin journey for FUE. Thank you.